this company is using what looks like a very short hash algorithm to hide their files, and I'll show you why it's not a good idea by breaking it. The normal brute force method will be just to generate a list of keys that contains all the numbers and all the characters in the alphabet. So for first, in the alphabet and all the numbers, and then we make it a 6-level nested loop, one for each character. So for first, for second, for third, for fourth, for fifth, and for sixth. And this looks just impossible at first glance, because all these combinations will be, well, it will be 33 to the power of 6, because it's 6 characters. Let's see. Yeah, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1.2, almost 1.3 billion combinations, which is a lot. You can't hammer a server with 1.3 billion combinations. However, if we look at these hash algorithms, we see that, for example, the first character is always number 4, so we can restrict this to just a 4. The second character is an 8, an A, or a 9, so 8, A, 9. The third one, you see it's an F, 9, 0, or 8, F, 8, 9, 0. The third one, yeah, the remaining ones, the alphabet only goes to the letter F. There are no further letters, so we can remove the remaining letters in the alphabet, and also the number 3 is missing in this hash algorithm, so we can actually remove the number 3. Now it's time to add all the hash keys generated by this loop into this list. So list of keys, not append, then we take the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. We're going to use the len function to print out the number of elements in the list. Yep, we're down to 33,000 combinations, which is a lot less than 1.3 billion. With this simple technique, you are able to find the solution to the hash algorithm that this particular company is using. And I told you in the beginning of this video that I will try to break it. So let's write a function that tries to download the next file hidden in this manner. The next file, these are all financial reports published each quarter, so let's pretend we don't know the latest URL, just for educational purpose. So it will be this code here that we are trying to find, and here it will be 23Q123, and this is really simple with wget. So we import it, then for key in our previously made list of keys. We add the URL, and instead of the question marks, we add the specific key. Then we print what we are doing. And then we need to add it within a try except block, else it will just throw an error immediately. And now we do the wget, just downloading the URL. And if it succeeds, we type got it. We do like this with no ending. Else it's going to print we make it a bit more clear by printing just the key, and we add a break when it's done. So let's try this. It's working great. This is the fast forward version where it finally finds it, and I had to add also the number 3, and this is the 5. So that's it.